Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Edupay account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Edupay account, firstly open your Google search, type in Edupay remote login and make a search. It will display the search results. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Edupay's account. Now enter your user ID and password associated with your Edupay's account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. After entering your user ID and password, tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Edupay's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.